Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 ideas. If you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon, this video share to your friends, family members. Wood projects for home, simple and stylish. These shelves appear to float on the wall without visible brackets. A ladder-style bookshelf adds a rustic and chic touch to any room. Customize a wall with a built-in shelving to maximize storage and display space. So if you like these ideas or if you are new here, kindly like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon. This video share to your friends, family members. Create a unique coffee table using reclaimed wood or pellet wood. A handmade wooden dining table can become a family heirloom. Consists of a sturdy and elegant wooden bed frame with or without headboard. Combine seating and storage with a wooden bench that has a hang lid. Make a durable toy chest for kids' room to keep toys organized. Use wood to create wall organizer with hooks and shelves for keys, mail and small items. Craft wood wall art piece such as geometrical design or rustic signs. Customize wooden frames and fit any photo or artwork. Create indoor or outdoor planter boxes to showcase planter and flowers. So if you are new here, kindly like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon, this video share to your friends, family members. These projects and ideas can functionality, beauty and a personal touch for your room. Craft wooden shutters for both interior and exterior use to control light and add decorative elements. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more garden and home ideas. Thanks for watching.